Okay, so I am here going to the Merced New Year. Today is Saturday, the 17th, December 17th. I am heading out to the Merced New Year. I got here about 10 right now. It's 10 o'clock, and there is no parking over there, so I park here at the. There's a park there, so I'm parking at the park. So right now I am walking into the gate of the New Year, and then as you can see, it was raining 2 days ago. You can still see the water. Oh shoot! I stepped on something. And yes, in California, there's rain too. Okay, so we just passed through the security checkpoint. We get a ticket and we pass through it like everybody's coming through, and we passed through that. So now we're gonna go inside, and I think this is the way. But let's go here. Maybe this is the right way inside. Okay, this is the gate for the Happy New Year. Alright, that is the gate. Alright, so this is the Happy New Year gate in Merced. Alright, so that's the New Year. So we are officially at the New Year. Okay, I think this might be the right way to the main event.
Hey, are you gonna look for an outfit for you?
Wow, you know, it's sunny, but it's really cold. I mean, really cold, freezing cold. Okay, I guess I was wrong. I thought this is where the event happens, but I guess not. Let's go back. Yes, this time I guess I'm going the right way this time, because I thought the thing is over there, but I think it's over here. So let's go over here, and we will find out if it's over here or not. Again, it's really cold. It's sunny, but it's really cold. Okay, more booth this way. I think there's more this way. There's a Lao family booth. They're playing some kind of game. And I think this time we are going the right way. Hey, you get dancers?
Yeah.
Oh, you get into a competition too?
Yeah.
They do biết là sao? Chừng nào mà biết? Cái mùa, okay. Can I take a picture of you guys?
Yeah.
Okay, bây giờ cho tụi play món nào đó. Cái lớp mũ bị nó hú chả?
Rau mùi đâu sư phụ chỉ sơn à?
Sư phụ chỉ xem hả? Okay, so it's this one right here. Thì cái qua thì thay thế to là lâu thế chứ nào?
Có bộ thì thay thế to mà.
Thay thế mà. Có thêm mấy cái lớp mũ bị nó có cho chị ra chị.
Bộ giấy tu sư phụ người cái content story.
Oh, okay.
Sư phụ người chơi một số thì người sư phụ chơi nó đâu giả cái 3 tiếng này cái có món.
Oh, okay. Vậy chứ true story đó itu Hmong ni Hmong là ni ni Hmong là.
Ni Hmong, ni itu Hmong, ni itu sư phụ nhớ số đấy.
Oh, OK OK.
是問你估有一 cost 冇嚟咯，你哋到俾做上落嚟。
OK. Có hỗ trợ đó á.
我舉例啦。
Xử lý đó, lớn là cái lớp movie đó. Okay, alright everyone, come and support, alright? So his new movie and his booth. Có một Fresno theo chưa? Okay, he'll be in Fresno too, so come by and support, alright? Let's go talk to another Hmong hero over here. Nhớ rồi. Ok, có huli cha, có khi là cha hả là? Thế cái lúc này là tổ chức đó. Trong nó có môn nào tổ chức đó?
Ở đây đó.
Ở đây nó. Thì ở đây nó là tổ chức. Thế có lúc movie nó, tôi cho chị theo chị.
Này tôi cho hình sắc tôi cho thuốc cho lâu cái gì là nhà bỏ lửa tôi cho một cái gì tôi bảo tôi thì là gì tôi bảo tôi.
Oh, okay. Kind of like a misunderstanding thing, like 사요게 야.
Là chỉ để tôi nói tôi chỉ để là một tôi sự giờ thì cái tôi dùng cái gì để tôi听cũng差不多了。
Oh, okay. Chỉ một love story không chỉ thế ạ? Okay. All right. Here is another Hmong movie star. This is the new movie. So you're bây giờ number 9 hả?
佢hiện tại cái là 手指啊。
Đó, có hỗ trợ.
Cũng về khu Jennifer,佢hiện tại có một sinh nhung.
Có nhớ Sacramento thôi.
Yeah, cũng nhớ cho Sacramento.
Okay, so I don't want to ask much, but are you like in college or like underage?
She's not in high school. I'm only 15 years old.
Okay, she's 15. She's from SAC. She's number 5.
Number 5.
Okay, all right. Thanks. I'll see you guys inside. Okay, here we are inside. I think this is where the pageants and all that stuff and all the event happens in here. Oh, you're not competing? You dance for fun, right? I mean, you dance as a guest, right?
Yeah.
Okay, nên what's your group?
Good. Go.
Oh, go na cho. Có hỗ trợ?
Oh, that's it. I'm like staring into
Yeah, video go that way. Cái gì hả? Có nhớ Fresno too?
Fresno ra. Nó phải cái nhóm fan thật sự của nhóm Fresno. Đi theo mà không bao giờ phải không sẽ ba bên đâu phải không có.
Bây giờ nó bây giờ mà em không xem ba nhóm friend sinh hoạt của nhau.
Okay.
Nhớ chung là tôi biết có những này của nhóm Fresno đó.
Okay, all right.
สุขสมยามสมสุขสนุกพิรุณอยู่ต่างโลกโชว์ความรักทุกคนและประจักษ์ความไมตรีรักลงอย่างมีสุขสีชื่นชมเทงป้าเทงป้าเทงป้ามาสุขใจไทยเรียกร้องรักชิดชมอารมณ์สุขมาร้องเพลงดังๆได้รักเฮฮาจนดาวประสุขสุขนั้นนาเย้ายืนดึงดาวอารมณ์ที่เราพวกดาวประสุขสมยามสมสุขสนุกมีครบอยู่ทั้งโลกโชว์ความรักทุกคนและมาจากความไมตรีร้องลงอย่างมีสุขสีชื่นชมเทปะเทปะมาสุขใจไทยเรียกร้องรักชิดชมอารมณ์สุขไม่เบื่อไม่หมดเลิกงานมาเฮฮาโฮแซวน้ำกอดมาแก้วม้วนอยู่จนห้องหมอลำยอมใจยามจนน้ำอดน้ำทนคนดีคนจริง
Okay, so end of the day on Merced New Year, heading back to the car, and it's gonna head out. As you can see, one last time at the New Year. All right, that's the fairground for the Merced New Year, and as you can see, everybody's leaving. So I just crossed the street over, and now I am heading out to the car, and then head back home. Okay, so I'll see you guys at the rest of New Year.